To read aloud key points of a web page with browsing assist on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Samsung Internet app, and then open a web page you want to read. Tap browsing assist icon at the bottom toolbar. Select read highlight aloud so that the app will scan the page and pick out key point and then read it aloud for you.
All the French holidays, traditions, and celebration.
If needed, you can use the playback control to pause, play, rewind, or fast forward the reading. You can adjust the reading speed by tapping the play speed icon and then select the desired speed. Or you can also translate the highlight so that your phone will read the translated content aloud. By using Read Highlight Aloud feature, you can easily catch up on important web content without staring at the screen. Whether you are multitasking or resting your eyes, you can listen to the key point of any page with just a few taps.
All the French holidays, traditions, and celebrations, by month. France boasts 11 official public holidays, but its rich culture incorporates numerous other significant celebrations throughout the year.
Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.